Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn a small-scale farming operation into a million-dollar enterprise? While traditional crops have their place in the agricultural world, there are certain high-profit crops that hold the key to unlocking extraordinary financial success for farmers. These crops not only offer substantial profit margins, but also tap into booming markets with high demand and premium prices. But which crops hold the secret to such prosperity? Well, get ready to challenge the conventional norms of farming as we delve into a world where saffron outshines corn and ginseng takes center stage over wheat. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the New Africa Wealth for more informative videos. Quinoa, hailed as a superfood, has become a cash crop that holds immense profit potential for farmers. With its high nutritional value, gluten-free properties, and versatility in culinary applications, quinoa has garnered a loyal following of health-conscious consumers worldwide. What makes quinoa even more enticing for farmers is its impressive profit margins. Considering the favorable growing conditions, which include cool temperatures, well-drained soil, and moderate rainfall, quinoa can be cultivated in various regions across the globe. While the initial investment in quinoa cultivation might be slightly higher compared to traditional crops, the returns can be exceptional. In fact, it is estimated that farmers can earn a gross income of $5,000 to $15,000 per acre with successful quinoa cultivation. This lucrative financial opportunity has led many farmers to shift their focus towards quinoa production, capitalizing on the increasing demand for this nutritious grain. Exotic fruits, with their vibrant colors, unique flavors, and enticing aromas, have captured the attention of consumers worldwide. These tantalizing treasures not only offer a delightful culinary experience, but also present a golden opportunity for farmers to reap substantial financial rewards. Cultivating exotic fruits can be a game changer for farmers, as the demand for these rarities continues to rise. From the juicy sweetness of dragon fruit to the creamy indulgence of rambutan, these fruits offer not just a taste of the extraordinary, but also a chance to earn impressive profits. When it comes to the earnings potential of cultivating exotic fruits, the numbers can be truly astounding. Let's take the example of the highly sought-after passion fruit. With the right cultivation practices and favorable growing conditions, farmers can expect to earn anywhere from $10,000 to $30,000 per acre annually. Similarly, the exquisite and visually striking lychee can yield profits ranging from $15,000 to $40,000 per acre each year. These figures demonstrate the immense profitability that can be achieved by tapping into the exotic fruit market. Medicinal herbs have emerged as a lucrative niche in the farming industry, driven by the growing demand for natural remedies and herbal products. Cultivating medicinal herbs not only offers the satisfaction of contributing to people's well-being, but also holds significant profit potential. Depending on the specific herb and market conditions, earnings from medicinal herb cultivation can vary greatly. For instance, herbs like ginseng, echinacea, and lavender have consistently commanded high prices in the market, offering the potential for substantial profits. The earning potential of medicinal herb cultivation largely depends on factors such as the herb's rarity, quality, and market demand. Lavender, with its mesmerizing fragrance and stunning purple blossoms, has emerged as a highly profitable crop that has captured the attention of farmers worldwide. This versatile plant not only adds beauty to gardens, but also offers a multitude of lucrative opportunities. From essential oils and culinary ingredients to handmade soaps and scented candles, lavender-based products have gained immense popularity in recent years. With the right cultivation techniques and market positioning, lavender has the potential to generate significant revenue for farmers. When it comes to the financial aspect of lavender cultivation, the earning potential is quite impressive. On average, an acre of lavender can yield around 4,000 to 6,000 plants, which can produce approximately 200 to 400 pounds of dried lavender flowers. Depending on the market demand and quality of the lavender, the selling price can range from $10 to $20 per pound. This means that a well-managed lavender farm can potentially generate annual revenues ranging from $40,000 to $80,000 per acre. Bamboo, often regarded as the green gold, has emerged as a lucrative crop that can bring substantial earnings to farmers. With its versatile applications and increasing demand, bamboo cultivation presents a remarkable opportunity for farmers to tap into a highly profitable market. Unlike traditional crops that require several years to yield substantial profits, bamboo can provide a relatively quick return on investment. In fact, some bamboo species have the ability to grow up to 3 feet in just 24 hours, making it one of the fastest growing plants on the planet. When it comes to earning potential, bamboo cultivation offers promising prospects. Depending on factors such as species, location, and market demand, farmers can earn anywhere from a few $1,000s to several $100,000 per acre of bamboo plantation. The revenue streams from bamboo are diverse and include selling raw bamboo poles for construction, manufacturing bamboo-based products such as furniture, flooring, and paper, and even venturing into the booming market for bamboo-based textiles and clothing. Moreover, bamboo's ability to sequester carbon dioxide and its eco-friendly nature make it a sought-after commodity in the sustainable and green product markets. On average, an acre of mature and well-maintained bamboo plantation has the potential to generate annual revenues ranging from $20,000 to $50,000 or even more. Industrial hemp has revolutionized the farming industry, capturing both attention and controversy. With the legalization of hemp cultivation in many countries, farmers are discovering its immense profit potential. But what exactly makes this versatile crop so lucrative? Industrial hemp, known for its low THC content, boasts a multitude of uses, ranging from textiles and building materials to CBD extraction and nutritional supplements. As a result, the market for hemp-derived products has experienced exponential growth in recent years, paving the way for farmers to reap significant financial rewards. When it comes to the earning potential of industrial hemp, the numbers are truly staggering. Depending on various factors such as cultivation methods, market demand, and the quality of the harvested crop, farmers can earn anywhere from $10,000 to $100,000 per acre. This remarkable profit margin is attributed to the versatility of the crop and the wide range of revenue streams it offers. The demand for CBD, a non-psychoactive compound found in hemp, has skyrocketed, creating a lucrative market for CBD-based products such as oils, tinctures, and topicals. Microgreens have emerged as a highly profitable crop for farmers, offering a lucrative opportunity to generate substantial earnings. These tiny, nutrient-packed greens are harvested when they are just a few inches tall, making them a popular choice for chefs, health-conscious consumers, and the booming organic food market. With their vibrant colors, intense flavors, and concentrated nutrients, microgreens are in high demand and often command a premium price in the market. Considering the small space requirements and short growth cycle of microgreens, farmers can maximize their profits by efficiently utilizing available land and implementing proper crop rotation techniques. With careful planning, consistent quality, and a solid customer base, microgreens can offer farmers a path to significant financial success in the range of $50,000 to $100,000 or more per acre per year. Organic vegetables have not only become synonymous with health and sustainability, but also offer an exceptional opportunity for farmers to earn substantial profits. In today's food industry, consumers are increasingly willing to pay a premium for organic produce that is free from pesticides and grown with environmentally friendly practices. As a result, cultivating organic vegetables can be a highly lucrative venture. Farmers who embrace organic farming techniques and obtain the necessary certifications can benefit from significantly higher prices for their crops. Successful organic vegetable farmers operating medium to large-scale farms with efficient marketing channels can potentially earn annual revenues ranging from $50,000 to $500,000 or more. The financial potential of organic vegetable cultivation goes beyond the price premium. By engaging in direct-to-consumer sales channels, such as farmers markets, community-supported agriculture programs, and online platforms, farmers can further enhance their profits. By capitalizing on the increasing popularity of organic vegetables, farmers can not only earn a significant income, but also contribute to a more sustainable and healthier food system. With careful planning and effective organic farming practices, the cultivation of organic vegetables holds tremendous earning potential for farmers looking to thrive in the modern agricultural landscape. Ginseng, a highly sought-after medicinal herb, has the potential to be a game changer in the world of farming. With its growing demand and significant profit margins, cultivating ginseng can be a lucrative venture for farmers. In fact, ginseng can fetch impressive earnings, with some farmers reportedly earning upwards of $100,000 per acre. This remarkable financial potential has led many farmers to shift their focus towards this valuable crop. The secret behind ginseng's profitability lies in its medicinal properties and the market demand for natural remedies. As a result, ginseng commands a premium price in both domestic and international markets. Its roots, known for their healing properties and high concentration of active compounds, are in high demand by pharmaceutical companies, health supplement manufacturers, and traditional medicine practitioners. Mastering the art of ginseng cultivation and implementing specialized techniques such as shade management and proper harvesting, farmers can tap into this lucrative market and reap substantial financial rewards. The allure of saffron cultivation extends beyond its financial potential. As an ancient spice with a rich history, saffron carries cultural significance and a sense of exclusivity that further enhances its market appeal. Its demand is consistently strong in various sectors, including the food industry, high-end restaurants, and the pharmaceutical and cosmetic sectors, ensuring a steady market for saffron growers. However, it's important to note that saffron cultivation requires specialized knowledge, careful management, and patience, as the crop has specific temperature and moisture requirements, with saffron prices ranging from $500 to $5,000 per pound. This would translate to approximately $132,000 in potential earnings per hectare. Cultivating saffron requires meticulous attention to detail and labor-intensive practices, but the returns can be truly astounding. Such exceptional profits have positioned saffron as an alluring option for farmers looking to maximize their earnings. Thank you for watching our video on high-profit crops that every farmer should know. We hope you found the information insightful and useful. If you enjoyed the content, we would appreciate your support by leaving a comment, giving the video a like, and subscribing to the New Africa Wealth channel. Stay tuned for more engaging and informative videos in the future.